doing a bit of a harvest video after all the disappointments we've had over the last couple of videos. Hopefully this one will be a bit better. We'll start off by harvesting these snow peas. These were sent by Nick, the gardener. I'll pop a link to his channel below. But these are about done now. This is the last lot we'll be harvesting of these. And then we can get these plants out, get something else in its place. So I'll get the rest of these picked and go and have a look at something else. Right, well, I think that's the last of that. So not a bad little harvest there. I've had a few of it already, but I have been picking them at about that size to use in stir fries. The ones that are a bit bigger, we'll just keep them for seed for next year. But I'm just going to pull what's left of these out the ground now. And all this can go in the compost bin. And it'll just free up a bit more room, give these tomatoes a bit of breathing room. Got quite a few tomatoes on some of these now. This to hold them back a bit. Just to give these strawberries a bit of breathing room. And let the runners go. Right then, let's go and have a look at something else. Right then, so I've just pulled what was left of the broad beans from this corner here. And that's what we've ended up with. Seems to be a lot of damage to these. I don't know if it's just the weather that we've had over the last week or two, but the other ones weren't like that. But anyway, that's that area cleared and another thing harvested. Right, so we're going to go and have a look at the broccoli next, so we'll pop over there and have a look at that. Right, so as you can see guys, we've got another 2 cabbages just here, ready for picking. And the broccoli is about there now. This one needs picking today. This one here won't be far behind it. Probably might be a good idea to pick that one today as well. And then we've got a good few more there. Cauliflowers, noticed they've just started forming heads, but they're not quite ready yet. As you can see. Now I'll get this netting off and we'll have a better look. not a bad cabbage. These are the Durham early, and really enjoyed them. A lovely little broccoli there. That should do 2 or 3 meals for us. And another nice small one there. Right, so you can see here where I've cut the plant, and I'll leave that now, and we should get a few more smaller broccolis come off these, and have them as like a sprouting broccoli. As you can see, still a few more to go in there, not quite there yet, but we'll pick them just before they blow at their last point. And let's have a look at the cauliflowers. Just starting out. Not quite big enough to harvest yet. Still a bit left in them. As you can see that. Oh, wrapped themselves up quite nicely. So we'll have some of them soon. I'll have a quick look now, see if there's anything else that we can pick. Pretty sure there's some red onions down there, ready to go. Right then guys, so we've got a few red onions here, and as you can see they've bent over, which is a good indication that they're ready. These aren't very big, but I was late planting these out. But good few of them there, ideal for salads, and I like to put them in gravies. Ideal. There's a few more in the raised carrot bed over there. We'll go and have a look at them now as well. But good few small little red onions there. Be lovely with tonight's tea. Right, so in the big carrot bed, you can see there's a couple there that I pulled out earlier. But these ones are looking quite a bit bigger, decent size to be honest. Quite happy with them, but not quite there yet. But we'll get them as they're ready. As these tops start bending over and collapsing, that indicates that they're ready. That one there's just doing now. But we'll take these and get the rest when we want them. See the carrots, not looking too bad. Don't know what shape they'll be in after the dogs have been in here, but seem to be forming up quite nicely. Not quite ready for picking yet, but we do have a couple of pots of carrots, but we don't need any, so I'm not going to pick any today. Beetroot and the Swedes, gone for seed, and I'll be saving all the seed off them, so we should have plenty of stock of seed of them for next year. Going to be keeping all these pongos for seed. Although could probably grab a handful of them for tea tonight, but I'm going to leave them for seed. We do have a tomato. Excuse the hands, guys. Excuse me. Quite nice one. They're the orange hat mini, and that's about as big as the plant grows. And you do seem to get quite a few on them. And we've got the mini bells here. These get quite a lot of fruit on them for such a small plant. And a load of lettuce here ready for picking. But I just pick that as I want it, as I need it. It's handy there, right by the front door. Just run out and grab a bit. But yeah, that's about it for today's harvest, guys. So we've got some red onion. These are the red baron, grown from seed. Everything's grown from seed here. 10 not to buy plants, unless I have to. We've got Durham early cabbage, quite a nice size there. 2 lovely looking broccolis, and some snow peas and broad beans. And I'll pop a link to Nick's channel in the description below, and I'll pin his comment. He's the one that sent me the Hendrix snow peas, and I'm keeping majority of them for seed for next year. Right guys, that's about it for this one today. Please don't forget to subscribe and drop me a comment below. Let me know how your gardens are getting on, and do my best to respond to absolutely every message that we get on this channel. Bye for now.